What's up, everybody? My name's Danny Ferrari.
My name's Parker Immense.
And we are back with another amazing remake. We're going crazy, bro. Gorilla season is here, dude.
Dude, we're going gorilla on these.
We're going, yeah, we went
people.
full gorilla, right? Okay, so if you guys didn't already know, we got a brand new pack coming out, Gorilla. It's a multi-genre pack, okay? We've announced that March 15th, there's going to be 1,000 copies available for the early access people. You can sign up for early access down below in the link. It's totally free. Just give us your email.
Yep.
We'll give you all the information you need to know about it. Everybody should get a chance to get it if they do it. Make sure you take advantage of it because the bonuses are crazy. We've already revealed that there's an extra bonus 50 serum presets.
Yep.
Along with the project file to Rumble, the project file to this video that we're doing, the remix to the project file. Oh, there's so much project files.
There's so much shit. I think that we keep trying to top ourselves with free bonuses for you guys.
And I gotta be honest, like I'm not even just like saying this. I don't know if this will ever happen again.
I don't think so either.
It's a lot of work. We've been working on this for years, guys. Like no joke. We're not trying to like lie to you guys or anything like that. We've been working on this for years. And we're also going to be revealing something about a secret bonus redacted.
It's a redacted secret bonus.
We're giving that away. We're going to show you what that is. Some of you might already have it. Some of you most likely don't and really want it. So we're going to be showing you guys that. We're showing you all the extra bonus presets. And of course, we're going to be remaking some sounds from Devil's Den, right?
Yeah, man.
We've already remade everything from scratch. All of the samples that are made for this project file were made and are included in Gorilla. Okay,
Yeah.
So drums, presets, and there's tons of other things because we can say how many presets there are in Gorilla now.
We can now, baby.
There are
Tell them.
For the early access.
Yes.
There are 250 serum presets. Okay, 250. Okay,
250, baby.
No.
Oh,
hold on.
oh,
I'm
tell
not
them
done
more.
yet.
Tell them more,
50
dude.
of those are the bonuses, right? Okay. But we're also including a redacted pack. Illuminati, can't see it, blurred out. Okay.
It's all blurry.
And that pack has an additional 225 serum presets.
Say it again to them,
An
dude.
additional 225 serum presets.
225, you guys.
So how many serum presets is that total?
That's 450.
475.
Serum, 475.
Quick math.
525.
It's 475 serum presets. Not only that, it comes with wavetables and like two noises, but the wavetable.
Yeah, it's insane.
Yeah.
It's insane. Where else are you gonna get 400 and whatever serum presets?
And all the samples.
Are you kidding me?
All the samples that are included in the redacted pack. And that's just
that too.
That's just like we've only gone over like
my God, I forgot about that.
three
dude.
bonuses, right?
We're not just giving the serum presets away.
No.
Yeah, it's the whole thing.
The remake, Rumble, remake Devil's Den.
Another one?
Remix of Rumble, which is probably whatever. And 475 serum presets and a free sample pack for you guys on top of that. Okay, so yeah, make sure only first 1,000 people that buy it, we're going to be able to do it.
It's pure madness.
The pack's still going to come out. It's going to have tons of stuff on it too. Trust me, you're going to be happy. But I'd say don't miss out because we're not doing this again.
Don't miss out. We hate telling you guys that we can't give you an exclusive pack. We hate saying that we can't give you guys the bonuses.
Yeah.
And it just sucks. So just be on it, you know? Get on that list, get signed up,
get organized,
and get ready for these bonuses, dude.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I'm really excited.
Man,
we worked really hard.
It's pretty insane.
It's the best pack we've ever made.
It is hands
okay?
down.
Yeah, and Parker and I had our hands very much like into every single sound and sample preset, and went through a ton of other sounds and really made sure that we curated the best pack for this multi-genre pack.
We went elbows deep, dude.
Yeah,
straight up in there.
Samples.
All the way to the elbows.
Yeah,
and presets.
And tickled our tongue a little bit, probably. I don't want to do a long intro. Subscribe. It already is a long intro. Subscribe, comment if you're new, like. Let's get into remaking Devil's Den. All right, dude?
Let's go into this classic. I love this song.
Cool. So we got it all set up here. We'll play a little bit for you guys. This is old. This is like electro. You know what I'm saying?
It's even older than we remember.
I haven't seen anybody really nail any of his stuff.
No.
You know, I think we do a pretty damn good job. You can tell us down in the comments if you agree, but you better. You know, we really go in. I mean, we make all these sounds, man. I mean, the drums, just even this beginning part right here.
Show them, dude.
My favorite thing about this is this preset right here, which I've already shown you, so you already know.
Show them again,
but
dude.
But this isn't Gorilla. This is an arpeggio that we made. Yeah, that's an arpeggio.
One note right there.
One note. Hold it down. We want to try it in a different one?
Yeah, hold it down.
Hold on.
M.
an ARP that plays that entire melody, which is
it's
super,
so
super cool,
nice.
super fun. So if you guys want to see a video on like how to do that kind of crazy ARP stuff, let us know, because that'd be kind of fun to do.
I think so too.
I would love to show people how we do this. Maybe, I don't know, it'd probably be, it's pretty in depth, but if you guys want to learn that, it's just a cool way to understand Serum, I think.
I think they would love that video.
Yeah,
dude.
I think so too. And of course, we have this part nailed.
Play it a little back.
Yeah, we did it.
So good.
And all these
dude.
sounds are in Gorilla. You know, we got the bubble screams.
Yeah.
Really, really nice.
So fat.
And actually, my favorite part of this entire song is actually this little phrase right here.
So good.
So good, okay? So the sound we're going to be teaching you guys are these yoys. Now, the pack has a ton of yoys in them. We're going to show you guys a sneak peek of the presets that are coming, but first I want to get into the tutorial, so just hang tight for that. This pack has a ton of yoys if you like yoys. And they're pretty simple, but there's some stuff that I don't think people have covered with yoys or us before about how to really, really nail them in a certain way and make them your own. There's a couple layers of different yoys going on. Each phrase has like a different yoy. A little different. Right, there's a little different phrasing. Stuff that's going on. Oh, God, the elephants, dude.
The elephant.
And there's that yai in there, too. This little part right here. I just love the way this is produced, and you can learn so much from it. Just a simple sound.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm getting all excited because I fucking love doing this shit.
Dude, no, it's great.
You learn so much. It makes you so much of a better producer.
Do you remember at Guitar Center, this was our go-to song to test speakers out?
Yeah,
When we were selling PA systems to like churches and stuff.
Definitely.
We would play this and the
Devil's
church guys,
Den.
they'd be like, what the hell is going on in here? But it
Yeah.
was so good, man.
It's so good. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and making this. The rack is going to be in the download description below, as well as the preset for totally free for you guys. You guys can go ahead and grab that now. Again, check the link down for the early access. You know, if you're not in Ableton, this is really simple rack stuff. We'll show you guys how to do it. It's very, very simple. So let's start with the yoi. We got a basic saw wave, I think, pulled up right here. Okay, there's sidechain. That's why you're hearing it do that, okay? So you're only going to need one LFO shape, right? It's going to look like this, okay? Just a basic shark fin, okay? Make sure it's set to trigger and set to eighth, okay? You're going to want to turn the level all the way down and then bring it back up. I don't know why it feels better. And set it to like...
It's faster that way, too.
I mean, I guess you could change the LFO. Like, you could start the LFO like this if you wanted to, and then you can do it all the way, but that's not how we did it, okay? So we got a shark fin. Set the level to like, 10%, we'll say, okay? And then apply LFO 1 onto the level and make it go all the way up. Right, so no. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and select a square wave. I love square waves.
I do too.
Especially low octave.
Oh, man.
Okay, mono is on. Now let's go ahead and input a low 12. Now I'm going to show you guys kind of how the yoi sort of works, why it works a certain way, okay? You're going to want to use the low 12, which is the normal filters, just like so. And you're going to want to set your cutoff to like 81 hertz. Resonance pretty high up, 73. And your mix all the way up, and these are down. So go ahead and apply LFO 1 to that cutoff. And you're going to go ahead and set that to 35. So this resonance peak and the LFO opening up very quickly is what kind of causes the yoi tonality to it. And we're going to get into what makes the yoi, which is there's two ways to do it, at least in Serum. I think there's a couple ways, actually. I think you can do it with like a Redux, but essentially it's a sample and hold filter, okay? So let's go ahead and get into our effects. We're using the sample and hold filter. Massive is like kind of known for this, their sample and hold. There's different ones. There's like sample and hold and sample hold minus. I don't remember. I think they're like the complete opposite. Like one's negative, one's positive, polarity or some shit. But the spot in which you move the cutoff determines the actual pitch of it, okay? And nothing's happening. I have an LFO on it to try to match it exactly. But 359, if I move this down, there's a sweet spot. because the pitch is going up from that sample and hold. Okay, so for this spot, you want to put it at 359. Okay, now what's also interesting with the yoys, and this is what I said, is that maybe some people haven't really explained this before. The cutoff position also makes a difference on the pitch, because when you have a cutoff sort of opening and closing very quickly, you're essentially cycling through the pitch, which can make stuff sound a little bit different in pitch. A low pass filter closing really quick is sweeping through that frequency, especially with that point right there. It's sweeping through a bunch of notes, sweeping through a bunch of notes, which can make it sound like it's like pitching down in a way.
And you're also starting on a certain frequency too,
right,
which is a note. You're starting on a certain note.
Yeah, exactly. So this cutoff, if I move this, we're at 81 hertz right now. Again, sweet spot. Look at that. 28 hertz. Now, all of these things matter when you're messing with the low 12 and the cutoff of the sample and hold, okay? The cutoff I have is 359 that we set it to. None of this stuff really matters. The resonance, keep it down and keep the mix up, okay? So that is how you can get different tones, right? And then I can move this too if I wanted to. But for this sound, we're just going to keep it at 359, and we're going to go ahead and put this back to, I think it was like 80 hertz. And like I said, LFO is going to be going on that about 35. I can open it up more. Doesn't sound as good. Sweet spot, baby. Get that sweet spot, okay? Oh, there's another thing I forgot to mention. There's this note knob, okay? This note knob is cool, especially with the sample and hold. If you change what key you're playing on the keyboard, you want it to change the actual filter position, because what it's doing is it's just sweeping through that one pitch, and it won't sound as good another note. So we added a note to this cutoff, and we set it down to -8. That felt about right. Now, there's tons of yoys in this pack. We've already mentioned too. There's all these. The Devil Den yoys are all crazy. There's some down here below. This is like the 250 with the 200 presets and the 50 bonus presets. But what I really wanted to be able to show you guys is something really, really cool. So yeah, the yoys in there are insane, and of course the extra 225 presets, the Redacted Gorilla bonus Serum presets.
There it is.
There it all is.
Oh, dude, just scroll down for them.
You guys can
just
figure out.
Scroll down.
You can figure it out.
Look at that. What does that say right there? Can't say it.
Can't say it.
Can't say it.
What's that mean?
Oh, what is that?
Should I open it? No.
Nope.
Can't do it.
Can't do it.
Oh, that's weird.
Oh, what's that?
I don't know.
What's that right there?
I can't read.
Oh, 1 through 8? What's that?
Yeah, there's 9 of them. Oh, yeah, 1 through 8 of those.
Yep.
My favorite in these are the synths and the instruments and the leads.
They're killer.
What we learned from this pack and did differently this time is we really, really tried to make sure that not only did you have like the cool remade sounds, but really have a huge library of other sounds that you can use to create your own stuff. Because I think it's cool to learn from them and you can tweak them and make them your own, but to really have like different unique sounds, like with this new Gorilla pack, I mean, these sounds are insane. So if you guys didn't check out the Rumble Remix video, definitely check that out, because we open up the pack and go through it a little bit. But yeah, there's a nice little bonus for you guys. You guys can see what it comes with.
It's just the toolbox. You don't have to go to a different pack to get a sound that you want. You know? It has every single tool that you would ever need.
Yeah, it's a pretty much all genre producer, good sound and stuff. And of course, the wavetables, I think there's about 50 wavetables in there. I'm not going to show them, but you guys can, you'll figure it out.
You guys get it, dude. Look
you
at
guys
this.
Get it.
It's the Redacted pack.
It's Redacted. Dude. I don't want to talk about it, dude.
Yeah, it's under contract.
It's under contract. CIA shit. Okay?
CIA, dude.
All right, so that sounded pretty good. It's almost pretty much there. Let's hear it in the mix. That's the old one. Just kidding. Pretty good, but needs some character.
Yeah.
Right? So let's go ahead and add some character. We're also going to add this note onto the cutoff of the sample and hold and set that to 43, right? And then we're going to apply a multi-band compressor. Okay, this one's kind of very, very strong. Okay, so we got the ratio at 4/1, attack at 90, release at 90, gain all the way down. I don't remember if I mess with these, but match them to the best of your ability.
Yeah, looks like the mids and the highs are popped up.
Right. And if you guys want to try different sample and hold or like redux type of stuff, you can use the distortion and you can use downsample, okay? You can get different stuff with that if you want it, but only use one, I think, at a time, because that really changes.
Yeah, we used downsample in the remix video of Levels.
Yes.
When we remixed Levels, we just popped on downsample, and that shit was crazy.
Yeah, it sounds sick.
Yeah.
So the sample and hold works pretty well for this instance. For some reason, I felt like we could match the pitch a little bit better using this one.
Totally.
So we did. Next, we got a hyper dimension mix all the way down on the left, size all the way down, and of course, 2012, 2010 Skrillex stuff, very wide.
Yep.
Hyper dimension.
Super wide.
Okay. Pretty easy. Next, let's go ahead and add a little bit more OTT. You guys that have FL, you know you can get the other one. I think it's free. Pull up some highs, pull up some mids. Time 500, output 10. Saturator, let's go ahead and cut it off a little bit, drive at 4%. And then, of course, we're adding a little bit of a low-cut EQ, just like so. In this case, this sound, it has its own bass, and there is no dedicated sub that's playing over it, so it's okay in this case. If we were doing a different sub layer, then we would want to do that.
It fits really well in the mix, too.
It really,
doesn't
really
need
does.
one.
And, of course, it's layered, like I said, with other yoys in here. There's this other yoy, it's like... It's very, very layered, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's a nice dissonant sound.
So let's hear it in context. So good, man.
So good.
So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple sound. Obviously, we want to go through this remake, and we want to learn everything we can because Skrillex is such an amazing, amazing producer. So the education behind these project files are really, really valuable. That's why we recommend that you guys go ahead and get the bonuses. Again, the download is free in the description down below. You guys can click the link. Hopefully, if you can, if you're not subbed to us and you take the download, maybe just click a button. It's free. It would help us out a lot. Gentlemen's or ladies handshake on that, please.
Group handshake.
Group handshake.
Group handshake.
Curtsy. Whatever you do, that'd be really nice if you guys take the free download. Or if you learned something, maybe just give us a
What is this called when you just
salute.
salute?
Oh wait, there's another word for it.
Yeah, there's like crowns or like caps.
So again, if you guys want to get on that early access list, now is the time. The sooner the better. Of course, we're going to be sending out those emails and letting you guys know all the secret stuff that's coming out. And of course, March 15th is the day. So now what have we added? So they can add it to the screen, right?
This is
okay.
We got project files.
We got 3 project files so far. Okay. We got the pack itself, which they don't know all the samples, but they can see how many are in there. But we'll go over that number next time.
They saw in some previous videos.
Right. Okay. We're including an extra sample pack, Redacted. Don't want to talk about it.
Redacted sample pack we can't talk about.
Can't talk about it. And, of course, the Serum presets from the Redacted, which is 225. So a total of 475 presets.
Insanity.
Oh, and don't worry. The price is like, it's totally, you'll be fine.
It's going to be great.
It's
going to be great.
This is a full production suite, guys. This is not a pack.
It's a huge thing, dude.
Yeah. So we're really excited about it. Again, if you guys are enjoying this content, let us know down below. We got tons of more remakes coming for you. Tons of more announcements about it. And
we're going in hard.
We're going in hard, dude.
You know?
Yeah.
It's gonna come out March 15th. You guys are gonna have a good chance of getting it.
So we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Salute. Tops.
Salute. Caps.
Caps. Cap up.
What is this?
Gentlemen.
Little gentleman shake.
Ladies shake on it.
Don't you hate when they cup them?
That's gross. Or when it's moist.
Oh,
it's like
mine's moist right now,
cold.
dude.
Yeah, but it's not cold. It is a little moist.
Yeah,
but
it's a little moist.
It is kind of gross.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Thank you so much. Hopefully you learned a ton from this. We'll see you guys next time.